Hi, I'm Paul James. I'm the PR manager for Harley-Davidson Motor Company, and this is the Model Year 20 LiveWire. LiveWire is Harley-Davidson's first production electric motorcycle, and I want to give you a little walk around of its features. So come on and take a look. As you know, the engine on any Harley-Davidson motorcycle is the centerpiece, and with LiveWire it's no different. LiveWire's engine is a longitudinally mounted permanent magnet motor called the HD Revelation. It makes 100% of its torque with a twist of a throttle. It also helps LiveWire accelerate 0 to 60 in less than 3.5 seconds and has a top speed of 110 miles an hour. Now, mounted above the LiveWire's engine is its battery pack. This is a high voltage electric battery consisting of lithium-ion cells all wrapped up in this finned aluminum casing. Now, the charger for LiveWire is underneath what looks to be the gas tank. Pop this open, you can see the charging inlet. So LiveWire's battery gives it a range of estimated 110 miles of mixed city use. When it's time to recharge, you can charge it at home using a standard household outlet through a plug that's located under the seat, or you can AC or DC charge through charging stations. With DC fast charging, you can charge LiveWire's battery up to 80% capacity in about 40 minutes. This is LiveWire's touchscreen dash, TFT. It's beautiful, and it's actually tiltable as well to the right angle for the rider. I'm going to show you under the seat of LiveWire. This is where the power cord will reside. Here you can see this little housing area. I don't have one in here, but this is where the power cord would sit that you plug into LiveWire, and that plugs into a standard household wall outlet. Now you can see the rear of LiveWire. Here is Showa monoshock. It's fully adjustable for compression, rebound damping, as well as preload. You can see belt drive and a really cool looking fender housing, as well as a rear tail light and license plate bracket. Moving forward to the front of the bike, you can see LiveWire's front fork is a Showa fully adjustable big piston fork. So the suspension is adjustable for different rider preferences and conditions. And then you can see here the Brembo monoblock 4-piston calipers gripping twin 320 millimeter rotors. Now LiveWire has standard ABS that's cornering enhanced, as well as traction control. And then there's 7 ride modes that the rider can select through that dash. So the cool thing about LiveWire is that you can adjust it from the suspension to the ride modes to the conditions that you're riding in and that you prefer. And obviously, super fun motorcycle to ride, and can't wait for you to get on one.